How to get notified when people join or leave share albums in the picture gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the gallery app. Then we go down and tap on the menu button. From the pop-up, tap on settings. Now in settings, we scroll down and tap on share album notifications. At the top here, tap on the toggle button and switch on your share album notifications. Next, we go down and tap on member updates. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. When this is turned on, you will get notified when people join or leave share albums. After that, you can tap on the back key to return back to your pictures gallery, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.